Okay, so here comes part 2, an opinion piece. Now, rather than being a single opinion paragraph, we're going to blow it up into a 5-paragraph opinion piece. And some people are trying to do that in the last one. We're actually just asking for a paragraph. So I'm going to review the paragraph one, and then we're going to see how we can move it into a full 5 paragraphs. So in the single paragraph one, we said there's an introduction and there's 3 key ideas: lazy, impersonalized, and socially awkward. That's why I think the internet has made us worse communicators. And then proof 1 was a proof statement and some kind of opinion. Proof 2, a statement opinion. Proof 3, statement opinion. And then a conclusion that shows the 3 main pieces again. And I like the color coding because it makes it really easy. And if I asked you to color code yours and you can't, it's probably because you don't have 3 focused separate proofs. Alright, you've just sort of talked about stuff but not anything going on. So again, it's say what you're going to say. That's the introduction. Say it, proof and opinion, tell me what you said, conclusion. So that's nice for a single paragraph. And then what we're going to do is we're going to expand it into each of the proofs are going to be their own paragraph. Okay. So the question: do schools and school officials have a responsibility to ban bottled water in schools, and set a good example for youth? All right. So you're going to make a statement whether you think they do or they don't. Decide if you agree or disagree with the question, and then jot down everything that comes to your mind. You can use a partner if you want to brainstorm. I would probably do a T diagram and say on the left-hand side reasons why I think they should ban it, and on the right-hand side reasons why I think they shouldn't ban it, and then decide which one has more, and go that way and decide that's what my focus. Once you take a stance, you got to stick to it. You can't go and give both sides of the argument. We need to have this opinion piece very strong, so you're only using your side of the argument. Okay, it's nice to know what the other person would say, and you can incorporate that to make yours stronger, but don't try and give one of those. On the other hand, this is okay. All right, I want a nice strong opinion paragraph. All right, so it's giving a graphic organizer, and the graphic organizer is good, and it opens up like this. Oops, here it comes. And it's going to give you some headings: purpose of writing, audience, topic, topic question. Okay. And if you can't type in here, you should be able to click in here and then go ahead and write inside it. But if you're having troubles, then just take this heading and copy and paste it into a Microsoft Word and use that as your first heading, audience your next heading, topic your next heading. Just go ahead and separate them out, paragraph 1 and then all the bits you need to do, okay? So it doesn't have to be inside this one if you're having troubles. Just write it all out, but use all those main headings. Alright, so the introductory paragraph, I normally kind of jot some ideas down here first, and then I get into the other stuff to come back to get my thesis. But that's okay. So remember, there's reason idea 1, 2, and 3, and then reason 1 is going to be paragraph 2. Okay, so it explains the main idea 1. And in there, now we're doing like a mini paragraph. The main idea, and there's 2 supporting details with examples. Rather than doing 3, we're just going to do 2 supporting details in each one, and then we're going to have some kind of conclusion that moves us in, or uses a transitional link and phrase to move us into the second body paragraph, which is all about and only about main idea number 2. So you got to keep them really focused. The next paragraph is only about main idea number 3. Okay. Then the conclusion goes back and restates our thesis, and then recaps and tells us about reason our main idea 1, 2, and 3, so we don't lose it. Okay. So again, introduction. Tell me what you're going to say. Then say it in paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, and then tell me what you said in paragraph 5. And I would definitely recommend using the color coding in as we go through, and I'll show you the example in a second. We're using color coding. Okay, so we use that graphic organizer, and that's really important to hand in. Then you're going to try and go ahead and write the 5 paragraphs using full sentences. Remember, think about 1 paragraph at a time. Don't try and write the entire essay, because you'll get confused. You're thinking about 1 paragraph at a time. They stand alone. Okay, and then we'll try and tie them together. Then you're going to try and do some editing. Okay, edit your own work. Again, I recommend reading out loud. I had to submit something today myself, and I read it out loud to make sure it worked. And using the different colors. Okay, then revise it. There's a checklist if you'd like to see if you're remembering everything. Okay, did I determine the opinion on the topic based on reasons? I've done this. I've written a series. I've written a conclusion. I've showed my understanding. All that kind of stuff. Okay. And then you'll be submitting. Now, here's a nice opinion piece where you actually have some notes given in as well to break it up for you. So I would take some time as well to study this one. Alright, gives the same idea. Introductory paragraph, this is the same, getting it ready, okay? In the introductory paragraph, this is their topic sentence. Okay, I'm a strong believer that every student should be required to take physical education every year of high school. Big, bold, definite statement. And this is because, or my reasons are, whatever. So green one is going to be their main idea number 1, blue one's going to be their main idea number 2, and pink one's going to be their main idea number 3. So green is going to be paragraph 2, blue paragraph 3, pink paragraph 4. Okay? And now when we go to paragraph 2, this is main idea number 1. Okay? That's the green one. We're talking about here we go. And we need to know why, and there's 2 specific reasons. Here's the first supporting details of why they think it is. Why physical education is full of good times. Here's their second supporting details of why it's good times. Alright? Secondly is their second one. The course also helps keep kids healthy and active. 2 specific reasons on why they think so. Another second reason why they think so. And then lastly, about feeling better about themselves, reason why, and then we're getting into conclusion, and they're going to hit the green, blue, and purple again. And then if we stuck it all together, it's not stuck together on this one, it would be nice and easy to read. Okay? And you can think about how to transition from one paragraph to the next. But it's nice and easy, it flows, and there's a lot of work. I would definitely please do the color coding. It helps you organize, it helps me see that you've organized as well.